Every stitch, polished handle, and elegant detail reflects craftsmanship many admire but rarely questioned as they move through daily life.
When we see a premium bag displayed in a boutique, we notice its design, comfort, and prestige, rarely questioning its origin. Few realize some of the world's finest luxury bags begin with one of nature's strongest materials, White Brahman Bull Horn. Behind every finished travel bag lies a remarkable journey involving skilled artisans, advanced machinery, and meticulous quality control from start to finish. Today, we step inside one of the world's largest White Brahman Bull Horn factories to uncover the process behind these luxury products. Luxury travel bags are designed to last decades, combining premium leather, durable hardware, and carefully crafted decorative horn components for elegance. White Brahman Bull Horn is valued for its natural beauty, exceptional strength, and grain patterns, making every finished accessory slightly different. Manufacturers use responsibly sourced horn to craft premium handles, decorative panels, buckles, and accents that transform ordinary bags into fashion pieces. Every production cycle starts as shipments of cleaned White Brahman bull horns arrive from certified processing facilities, ready for transformation. Alongside the horns arrive premium full-grain leather hides, brass fittings, stainless steel hardware, strong nylon threads, and protective linings. Large transport trucks back into unloading bays as forklifts carefully remove pallets filled with raw horn and leather materials. Workers inspect shipping documents while overhead cranes lift heavier containers safely onto conveyor systems feeding the production floor. Hundreds of horns and thousands of leather components enter the facility every single day, feeding multiple production lines simultaneously. Although horns already underwent primary treatment, they still require extensive preparation before becoming true luxury components for travel bags. After washing, industrial drying chambers carefully remove moisture from each horn without damaging its natural internal structure or grain. Preparing every material correctly ensures smoother machining, higher precision, and fewer defects throughout the remaining manufacturing process ahead. Computer-guided saws carefully cut each horn into sections based on the design requirements of different travel bag models. Some horn sections become elegant handles, while others are shaped into decorative trims or luxury hardware accents for bags. Precision cutting minimizes waste while preserving the horn's natural patterns, ensuring every finished piece remains beautifully unique and original. The leather follows a similarly controlled process, as automated cutting machines use digital templates to produce perfectly matched panels. Hydraulic presses then reshape the softened horn pieces into smooth curves that perfectly match the bag's future design. At this stage, rough natural horn materials begin taking recognizable forms, bringing the final luxury product one step closer. CNC machining centers precisely carve each horn component to exact dimensions, measured within fractions of a single millimeter. Specialized polishing wheels gradually smooth every surface while carefully preserving the horn's beautiful natural grain and coloring throughout each piece. The leather undergoes its own transformation as edge finishing machines smooth every cut surface with careful precision and consistency across each panel. These coatings never hide the material's natural beauty, only protect it, ensuring the horn's character remains fully visible. These coatings never hide the material's natural beauty, only protect it, ensuring the horn's character remains fully visible. Only after this careful machining process do the polished components finally become worthy of a true luxury travel bag. Now hundreds of individually finished horn and leather parts are ready to come together into one complete travel bag. Experienced craftsmen combine precision stitching with modern sewing machines to assemble the leather body of each travel bag. Reinforced seams provide the strength needed to support heavy loads during years of demanding international travel and daily use. Every completed bag moves steadily down the production line, gradually becoming the luxurious finished product customers will carry worldwide. Robotic arms gently guide each assembled bag along the conveyor toward the final inspection and testing stations ahead. Inspectors measure dimensions, examine stitching, and verify hardware alignment across every finished travel bag on the assembly line. Mechanical testing machines repeatedly open and close zippers, simulating years of heavy everyday use in just a few seconds. Handle strength tests simulate years of lifting heavy luggage, ensuring the polished horn handles never fail under pressure. This uncompromising attention to detail ensures every travel bag meets the premium standards expected by luxury customers worldwide. Once approved, workers gently place each travel bag inside soft fabric dust covers for protection before final packaging begins.
The finished bags are packed into premium presentation boxes, along with care instructions, authenticity certificates, and warranty documents.
Automated labeling systems apply barcodes, tracking information, and destination labels to every carefully boxed travel bag before shipment. The products are now fully prepared for distribution as finished pallets move into a massive climate-controlled storage warehouse. Inventory management systems monitor every shipment, while forklifts transport pallets carefully through the warehouse's wide storage aisles daily. Barcode scanners instantly record each product's storage location, while tall warehouse racks maximize available storage capacity for every bag. Warehouse staff carefully prepare shipments for dispatch, as forklifts move pallets steadily toward the busy loading docks outside. Trucks, shipping containers, and air cargo units wait at the docks as each precious shipment is carefully secured. Each shipment begins its long journey toward regional distribution centers, luxury boutiques, department stores, and international retailers worldwide. From this single factory, beautifully crafted travel bags begin traveling across continents, ready to reach customers everywhere. The lighting also highlights each bag's premium leather finish, showcasing craftsmanship built through countless careful manufacturing steps and care.
They appreciate the natural uniqueness of every horn component, knowing no two finished travel bags are exactly alike.
From raw horn and leather to skilled craftsmanship and global logistics, every luxury travel bag represents thousands of coordinated steps. Inside elegant showrooms and luxury boutiques, travel bags are displayed beneath bright lighting that highlights their polished horn details.